In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find new music on Spotify. If you've ever opened the app and felt overwhelmed by choices, this simple approach will help you quickly discover tracks, playlists, and albums that match your mood and taste without any guesswork. Start by opening Spotify on your phone or computer. On mobile, tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. On desktop, click Browse near the search bar at the top. This takes you to Spotify's Discovery Hub, where everything is organized to make exploration easy and intuitive. Right away, you'll see a grid of categories. There are genres like hip-hop, K-pop, or chill, mood-based collections such as workout or focus, and featured sections titled New Releases and Charts. Think of these as guided doors into the kind of sound you want. Genres group music by style, so if you already know the lane you're in, they're a great starting point. Mood categories are perfect when you care more about the feeling. Energy for a run, calm for studying, or a mellow background vibe. The featured sections help you stay current or see what's trending worldwide or in your region. Pick a category that fits your vibe today and step inside. You'll land on a page filled with playlists and albums. Playlists are curated sets of songs collected around a theme, sound, or scene, and they're ideal when you want variety and quick discovery from different artists. Albums are complete bodies of work from a single artist and are great when you want a cohesive experience and a deeper feel for a particular sound. Open a playlist or an album that catches your eye. Glance at the description, cover art, and track list to get a sense of what you're about to hear. Press play and give a few songs a moment. Skip around if you need to sample the overall flavor. Pay attention to how the tracks transition and whether the energy matches what you're looking for. If you're in new releases, you'll hear what's fresh. If you're in charts, you'll get the biggest songs right now, which can be a helpful pulse check on what people are loving. Keep exploring within that category, moving between playlists and albums until you land on something that clicks. With this approach, search or browse, choose a category, then dive into playlists and albums. You'll find new music faster and with more intention. Enjoy the journey and let the categories guide you to your next favorite sound.